Hi guys, it's Cool Cat here, making my first video. Oh god! Guys, look at this. Look at this. There's a chicken on the trampoline. Wait, let me get there. It's literally amazing. Ready? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, you guys! That is hilarious. So this is my first video, so I'm going to show you around. Just a little. Please send me fan mail. Thank you. Thank you. So please send me fan mail. I've always needed fan mail. Just kidding. I can't tell you my address because grown-ups may watch this. And I don't want anyone to come kill me. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to introduce you to our kitten. Well, one of them. We have two. This is our first kitten right here. His name is Jagger. Jaggy, say hi to the camera. Jaggy. Jiggy, Jagger, yeah. So here's Jagger. Cute as can be. I don't know if the camera got that or not. Anyways, that's all for this video. Oh yeah, I forgot. My sister here has her hands all dirty with orange paint. And this is my dog Coco. Coco, look, say hi to the camera. Yeah. She's such a good dog. Selfie stick. Anyways, you guys.
Please open the door.
Oh, my sister needs to open up the door right now. And then I'll show you around some places. Anyways, goodbye. Hopefully, my next video will be OPS. Because that's what I'm mainly going to do. And